Good morning. Hi everyone. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. How are you guys doing today? The market's going down a little bit. Maybe we're gonna have the red day that I've been waiting for. Maybe, but SPY is holding very good. QQQ is definitely very weak. So, uh, what I'm gonna watch today, I'm gonna be my focus is gonna be on Spy and QQQ and Microsoft. That's it. I think Spy is it's been really fighting the 454 level. That hold, even though right now it's a little bit below, but if can hold yesterday's low, that's bullish. Under yesterday's low is bearish. Like very easy. QQQ died thanks to um Netflix and Tesla. And yeah, it's around 382. The 383, 382 levels are level of support. Like we can see it here was resistance, and here it was support. So it's right at support, QQQ. So we might have a bounce here. So let's see if QQQ can hold uh the low, pre-market low, which is around 382. That's bullish, and maybe it's gonna go up and fill the gap that it made till yesterday's low, or if loses pre-market low, that's even more bearish, and it's just gonna go down. Then the next support is around 380. So that's the plan with QQQ. uh the only stock that I have two that I like. The first one is Microsoft. um I saw yesterday that it went all the way down near the previous resistance. Now should act as support, and I like the break and retest here. So your resistance here, it's around 351, 352. And if I see it holding there, I like it for a swing trade, for a calls. But obviously I'm gonna be very careful with that because SPY and QQ are looking bearish. So that's like from stocks, that's my main watch. The other one that I like, it's coin. Um, I post this coin chart yesterday. Let me see. Yeah, yesterday because I really like the flag that I was making on the 30 minutes time frame, and also on the daily. Like I like that chart, and I like the consolidation on the daily. And today, it's, I think yesterday broke out the flag. I got in around 107 yesterday because I was I know in the morning we were looking coin, and it went down to 105. But then when I saw holding, I think it was around 106, 107. Yeah, I think it was around here. I got calls after the stream. I got, let me check which one I got because I honestly don't remember. I know I got weeklies. Where is it? 108. I got a weekly 108. When the market closed, those one were up 34%, almost 35%, and I still like it. I think coin still looks very bullish. I want to see it today holding 108. If it goes down to 104, 105, I might think on swing this one for next week. But for because I have weekly, I want to see it holding 108, which it will make my contracts in the money. But the other one that I was looking to trade was CRM. To trade today was CRM, but I was looking only if could hold 232. But right now it's around 230. So under 232, I don't like it. So I don't think I'm gonna trade this one. So it's only gonna be coin and Microsoft, my watch today. And of course, SPY and QQQ. But yeah, I only post 3 charts because I think those charts were the only one that I was really looking A plus setup. The rest tech, it's looking very weak. So we'll see. Ooh, CRM, Snow and Pawn. Okay. Damn, coin is like very strong. Spies again at 452. That level keeps fighting. Keeps fighting there. And CRM is again at 232. Okay, let's see if Microsoft can give me an entry here. QQQ looks like it wants to fill the gap that it made yesterday. That's a big move on QQQ. Spies having troubles there. Let's see. Ooh, I like this move on coin. Yeah, CRM is above 232, but I wanna wait a little bit and I wanna see what's gonna be the real trend today because I don't like to trade when the market is moving so fast the first like 5 minutes on market open. I wanna see like wait if this is just like a big move in the morning and then if we get rejection or if we get a consolidation, but entering here, it's just paying more for premium. I want to wait after after you have this such a big move, you want to wait for a consolidation. You want because in consolidation contracts premium get lower also. But yeah, I'm looking CRM that is at 232, almost 233, but I'm waiting. Like always, I'm gonna be patient here. I'm gonna be patient here. If I miss the entry, oh well, I just missed the entry. But I'm not gonna enter anything that I don't love or just for a rush. Like I think I probably missed the entry on Microsoft. Morning. Just gonna wait a little bit. See, look at this. Look at this. We wanna see consolidation here. And what's the real trend for the day? Like right now, coin's looking very bearish. And it was looking like 1 minute before, it was looking extremely strong. Let's see how are the Microsoft contracts for next week, because Microsoft have earnings next week. So maybe premium are gonna be a little bit high. Oh yeah, very. I'm gonna get Microsoft next week, 370. The premiums are very high, but I still like it. And this is gonna be a swing trade. Um, it's gonna be a swing trade, and I'm not gonna sell unless it breaks 350, 350 or 351. I like this Microsoft chart, and I like that it might maybe do a 3-bar play here on the daily. Yeah, UPS is doing amazing. I'm very happy with UPS. That UPS win, it's looking very, very good. So, okay, let's see. QQQ looks like it wants to fill the gap. The gap is around, the gap is yesterday's low. Let's see on the 30 minutes. So it's gonna be around 384.50, around there. Well, the gap is still 385, but you have your first resistance, it's at around 384.50. EQ, it's just dying here. So I'm looking CRM. I like what CRM is doing. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna be very patient today because I don't feel like trading much this week and next week. I'm very happy with UPS, so I don't think I wanna like over trade this week. Tesla is holding very good. 279 on Tesla is a very good hold. I like CRM. I'm gonna get a CRM weekly. Let me see. Let's see. 235 goals. And I'm getting 240 for next week. I'm not playing with many contracts CRM. I'm kind of having like a smaller position with CRM. Mm, Amazon is looking very good. Amazon is holding 134 and it looks like it's gonna fill the gap here. So watch Amazon if it can hold these wicks here, the pre-market low is very bullish and you have this gap till 135.30 that it might fill that one. So Amazon looking very good here. Mm, mm, Let's see. So SPY is about to fill the gap. Yeah, pretty much about to fill the gap. Are we gonna reject here or is it gonna like go higher? Like watch SPY here because the gap is a pre-market high also. So it's an important level right now for the market. The pre-market high for SPY around 455. So far right now QQQ looks better than SPY and it has a bigger gap to fill. So it can give you more upside to fill the gap. Okay. Okay. CRM. I like what CRM is doing. But also it's about to fill the gap till almost 234. We want to see QQ going higher. Again, no caps, Donnie. You always ride with caps. No caps. I don't even look UPS because it's a swing trade that I know I'm gonna hold for maybe weeks. So I don't watch UPS. I only have alerts on my chart on like important levels. But so far it's doing great. Like I like this bound from support here. I was kind of nervous here because it was going too low for me, but it held here. So as long as above 182, 183, 182, I'm happy. You can go down today, I don't care. I have for the end of the month and for next month. So it's fine. I don't care what UPS does today. Buenos días. But so far, great. I'm good. Very good. I think as long as CRM is holding 130, I'm sorry, 232, that's very bullish. My stop loss is gonna be under morning low. And for Microsoft, that's gonna be a swing trade that as long as it hold 350, I'm gonna be in. Also, I got for next week, which I think premiums are gonna start moving for next week, because Microsoft has earnings. Earnings on Tuesday. Earnings on Tuesday. Yesterday because I played the Tesla YOLO, I got QQQ and SPY puts. I already took profits on QQQ because I thought QQQ was at a very strong support, and it gave me like a big gap. But I'm still holding I have two 454 SPY puts. I'm kind of gonna use it as a hedge against my swing trades. Also, I think as long as the SPY keeps rejecting either 455, 454, it's still not too bullish. Unless it breaks yesterday's close level, which is 455, around 455, 455.10. Still can go lower, but yeah, I'm holding those puts just as an hedge for my calls. Yeah, the thing is like I took a lot of profits already, like before earnings. I was in one YOLO, I was 47% off, and the other one I was like 68% off, and I took profit there. So it's a free, the one that I held are free, completely free. So I didn't lose money there. Okay, that is not looking good. But again, it's a YOLO, so you shouldn't expect anything from it. I know, I know. I don't I don't think we have like very good setups today, honestly. The only one that I love is Microsoft above 450. But I think even that one is a kind of difficult because the market is kind, I don't know. I think the market needs to go down a little bit. I'm not on, I don't have UPST. I have UPS, not UPST. But let's see. UPST is looking very good. It's above like the 54 resistance. So as long as it's holding as long as I think as long as it's holding 54 or above 54, it's looking bullish. And I really like Amazon here. Amazon, look, it's holding pre-market low. 134 is your resistance. Now should act as support. Yesterday broke that resistance and now retested. So it's looking good here. The thing is like QQQ is not doing anything. So with QQQ messing around, tech is not gonna move much. Oh, okay, okay. Got you, Paul. Hmm. I already know that today is gonna be a choppy day and it's gonna be a very boring day for me. I don't love any setup. But also like I said yesterday, the market in the morning it's been just very choppy. And then after lunch is when they give you like a real move. But in the morning it's been like bad. Like really bad to trade. Very choppy, like in the morning's been very choppy, like it goes up and take you out if you are in short, and it goes down if you are in calls, it take you out, and touch your stop loss. So um also, yeah, it's not working. Like, I don't know, it's very choppy. On Microsoft, I took puts on not yesterday. I took puts on, let's see, on Tuesday. So when it did this, I took puts when on this big candle here. Okay, so we want to see TRM holding here, and same for Microsoft. But I kind of like taking puts here on taking more puts here on SPY. Well, we'll see because it kind of looks like it's flagging, but also have a bunch of wicks here, and that's the gap fill and pre-market high. So if it can break these, I'm gonna be very bullish on the day, and it can go easy to 456, around 456. But if keeps rejecting here, it's just like it's just a gap fill, and then that's a gap close reversal if rejects here. Are you guys in anything or just waiting for a better entry, for a good trade? So far, the only thing that is doing good, it's UPS on my portfolio. Tesla? Tesla is just there. It's not doing much, honestly. But it's under pre-market low, so that's bearish. But it's at support from yesterday's aftermarket low. So I think it's break. It's 276 is a big level. Either break here and it's very bearish. If it holds 276, it can move up. But I'm not really looking to trade Tesla, honestly. Nvidia? What's Nvidia doing? Mm, Honestly, if you want to play puts, I would prefer to take puts on something that is under like a big level. Like right now, Amazon is losing 134 and it's looking very weak. So I will prefer to take puts on something that it looks weaker than Nvidia. Nvidia still could go down, but it's holding with SPY going down. And Amazon is just like losing it. So I think Amazon is better play for puts. But if you want to play puts on Nvidia, it's better to play puts on QQQ. Yeah, Amazon already lost 134. So that's very bearish on it. Yeah, I have SPY puts. I got them yesterday. Amazon just died. Yeah, Amazon is like very, very, very weak. Tesla is lost 276. So yeah, the market is very weak. I'm gonna get out of CRM, the weeklies, right now. Oh, wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit because I wanna see if QQQ can hold here. But CRM is losing 232. Decisions. Gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait because QQQ right now is holding here. Obviously can lose this support, but I think as long as it keeps holding this support here, it could bounce. But it's definitely looking weak because Tesla is dying. Nvidia, it's about to lose pre-market low. Mm -mm -mm. Everything depends if QQQ is gonna hold here or not. If QQQ can hold here, tag is gonna hold a little bit. If not, everything's gonna die. Yeah, semis may are gonna move because I think TSM had earnings, right? Already. So those are gonna move with that. So AMD, Nvidia are gonna move with that. I'm getting out of weekly CRM. And next week too. I don't like that move. So no CRM for me. Yeah, the market is looking very weak. Very, very weak. I'm getting a coin. This one is like up like 3%. So I'm closing this one even though it's holding, but still don't like anything. Okay, so um I'm holding my spy boots and Microsoft calls, and I'm very happy with UPS. Thank God we were swinging UPS and that is not tech. Yeah, Meta is a pre-market low. It's kind of trying to hold there. But I think getting puts here, it's kind of chasing. We either want to see QQQ breaking pre-market low, breaking it and rejecting, or if you want like even better puts, it's just you want to see QQQ going here again. I have 454 SPY for tomorrow puts. Nvidia's died. Yeah, this is ugly move on the market. If you guys got it, SPY puts here, you're killing it. Nice, congrats on those Nvidia puts. But SPY keeps holding 454. 454 looks like an important level on SPY. Very important level on SPY. Let's see how is a small account doing with with UPS. $35 today. I haven't bought or sell anything here on this account, so I don't think and I don't think I'm gonna do anything this week, like today and tomorrow on this account, but I have $600 to play with. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that because I'm kinda scared to swing trade for next week because we have a lot of important earnings coming. So yeah, I don't feel like swinging anything. Even swinging puts is a little, it's scary because the market's been so strong the past few days. It's been very difficult. Google, yeah, under 123. The thing is, like, Google looks like it's stronger than QQQ and the rest of the market. It's right now it's at support. So I wouldn't like buy puts on Google. I would prefer play puts on QQQ or Nvidia or Amazon. But right now it feels like chasing. Unless you have a bounce, eh, yeah, unless you have a bounce here, like a retest of like 280, 250 around there. But yeah, and if it is for calls, you don't want to buy calls right now with the market going down. You want to wait for confirmation that the market found support. Like Google 123, 122 is a good support and it looks kind of bullish, but I will not enter. Honestly, I don't like anything right now. Like, I don't like anything. I will not enter anything. So, looks like we're gonna start with the choppiness. Nvidia is trying to hold morning low. Amazon is at the 133 support. Mm, Google is bouncing here also at the 123 support. Google is the one that I think it looks bullish, but I'll be scared to swing trade um Google with QQQ not looking too bullish. Unless this 30-minute candle closes above at least at this support here or above, it's bullish. Under this support is bearish. So we'll see. This candle still have like 16 minutes to close. So we'll see. If bounced here and it hold this support, it's bullish. Apple holding. Let's see. Yeah. And it's inside a bull flag. So yeah, and Apple is using, I like that it's using 195 as support and it used to be resistance here. So you have 195 resistance, resistance, resistance. Is it a support here, and today so far it's acting as support. So if you see Apple keep 195 keep acting as resistance, that can be a good entry also. But I prefer Google or Microsoft because both are at a very strong support or near strong support. Like Microsoft to right now it's looking bearish with this daily candle rejection. It's on their VWAP and INEMA, but It's still holding pre-market low, and it's above 350. So for me, above 350, it's very bullish for a swing trade. Maybe today not, but for a swing trade, yeah, 350 is very bullish. Well, we'll see. So far, QQQ, it's fighting this pre-market low. If loses this pre-market low, let's see what's the next. The next support is around 380. And that daily candle is very ugly. The 1 hour candle is also ugly. And the 30-minute candle so far it's very bearish because it's engulfing the one before. So I'm gonna keep UPS here because it's the only one that I see that it's holding very good, not moving with the market. And we have that swing trade, so I'm happy with that one. I'm up 31% on UPS, 31%, and 42% in another one that I have. So I have UPS 185 weekly, and that one is down 1%. And I have 185 for next week, and that one is up 41%. And I also have 195 for August 4, and that one is up 41% also. So UPS is making my um portfolio very happy. Ooh, Microsoft it's going for the 350 level. But SPY keeps holding this like 454. Let's see if he can lose. If a SPY can lose 453, well, the next support is around 453. So 453.50, like this little support here. EQQ and the rest of the market is really gonna move down. And yeah, SPY is losing it. I want to see a SPY losing pre-market low, which is around 453.65. Netflix is holding, like so far. It's looking kind of like a bear flag, but it's kind of holding, and it's at support. 439 looks like a support. 439, 436 looks like support. Even though it's bear flagging, I thought it was gonna be way weaker today. Tesla is moving lower. Let's see. Nvidia dead. Amazon dead. Anybody took Amazon under 134? That was a good one. Very good entry under 134. CRM just died and it's about to fill the gap. Yeah, spy puts are doing great for him, also making my portfolio happy. I'm already Microsoft calls for next week. So yeah, 350 is it's a better entry. And I think if even if you buy puts or calls on Microsoft, those are gonna move the next week because Microsoft have earnings on Tuesday, and with earnings, both puts and calls premium move. Yeah, Amazon is like dying. I think it's gonna go back to 131, 130. That's your like the gap, like the real gap fill. Yeah. If it doesn't hold here, it's gonna go back to 131. And that was an easy put play. On the 134, yeah, this rejection here. Yeah. But as long as UPS is holding or going up and SPY going down, I'm more than happy today. Like my portfolio is killing it with that. I have a lot of contracts on UPS. TSM had earnings pre-market or it's gonna be after we close? Because TSM is holding very good. I think TSM could be a good put play here. If the market keeps going down, yeah, TSM under 100 had earnings this morning, so maybe premiums are up. Let me check how TSM contracts are doing. Oh no, the IV is 46 on the 98 puts for today. I'm gonna get that. Just like a little experiment. I have I don't I'm playing with less contracts than normally. So I got TSM 98 puts. My stop loss is gonna be um morning high. I'm up 50% on spy puts. Yeah, I kind of like this TSM play, but I think it's better for next week, honestly. Ooh, TSM has a big gap to fill from 97 till 90, but it has support around 93. Is it gonna fill the gap? It has to, and it has also a gap from 100 till 103. But I think if the market keeps going down, um, it may flush and fill the gap. So I'm gonna hold my SPY and TSM puts as an hedge with my Microsoft calls. I'm gonna hold Microsoft because I have for next week. Yeah, I'm gonna hold Microsoft today. It's looking very bearish, so if you guys don't want to lose money, you can wait to see if really it's gonna be under 350. I'm gonna wait to see how the daily candle is gonna close. And I'm hedging that with my SPY and TSM puts. Yeah, yeah. TSM is looking good. So let's see the gap here. So it has support around 97. Yeah, let's see, 97. Okay, here it is. Around 97. And the gap is from a little bit below 97. So it's 96.96 till 90.16. And it has support around 93. '96. Okay. So the gap is from here. So yeah, that's the gap. Kind of holding. It's holding for a QQQ going down so much, and TSM not really moving much lower, but I like the risk to reward here. Even though I got a weekly, I think it's better for next week. Oh no, I got yeah, I got weekly. I'm gonna get also for next week 98 boots. I wanna see if TSM can fill the gap. So, and that's gonna work also as a hedge for my Microsoft calls. So the puts that I'm holding are SPY. I have a SPY put for tomorrow, the 454. Those are up 56%. I have TSM put 98 for this week and for next week. And I also have Microsoft puts for the 4th of August. So those are the puts that I'm holding, kind of like a hedge against my UPS swing trade and Microsoft swing trade. Mm. SPY still looks very bearish. Like after it lost pre-market low, losing pre-market low is very bearish. 453, around 453 is your next support. I honestly want to see a SPY. You guys know that I've been talking about the 450 level for a while. So I want to see a SPY around 451, 450. I think 451, 450, it's a very, very, very good opportunity for a swing trade, for a call swing trade on SPY, on the market. So yeah, for like, look at daily. We want to see a retest um of these support. Even 452. Yeah, 452 can be another good level for a swing trade. I would prefer 451, 450. Damn, it's very tag is extremely, extremely bearish. And UPS keeps going holding. Keeps going a little bit higher and it's holding. It's at 187. Amazon just died. Like, look, and it's definitely gonna go to 131. And that's another good break and retest here. Break and retest here. Today's high. It's my stop loss on TSM. Apple crossing. Let's see, where is Apple? Oh yeah, Apple needs to hold here. But it's the daily, it's looking very ugly. But 194, it's support. So break of resistance, resistance, resistance broke yesterday. But I think the thing is with Apple and Microsoft is that both stocks broke resistance with news, which for me that is not a strongest level to play a break and retest. So I think maybe that's why it's not working with Microsoft, because it broke resistance with news. It wasn't like a technical break. Well, yeah. Apple needs to like close the daily candle around 194. And same with Microsoft. Microsoft needs to close a daily candle around um 450, 441. Nice. You guys played Amazon? That was very good. Very good and easy put play. Okay, so SPY 453. That's a little level of support. If doesn't hold 453, literally you have 451.50 and then 450. That was a beautiful, beautiful gap close reversal here on SPY. Nice. 100% on Amazon. Nice. That one's very, very good. I hope we can have 100% on TSM. So far, it's looking great. We want to see it losing this morning low here. And UPS is killing it. Look at this. It's killing it. Doing amazing. Who's still holding UPS with me? Nice. Awesome. So you guys are being patient with this one. Only 4 people? 1, 2, 3, 5 people only? I'm playing the gap fill on UPS. That's why I got a lot of time on that play. But obviously, I'm gonna be taking profits on the way up. I wanna know if anybody took the puts that I was talking about here on SPY. This rejection was so beautiful. Perfect, perfect entry for puts. There. And I am holding for the gap fill. Also, I really like how it's moving. Like it's moving very, very good. Even with the workers strike and the market going down, this one is holding very good. And I like that this daily candle also, we want to see it breaking 188 is the next resistance here. You have rejection here too. So you have 2 days of rejections around 188. We want to see it breaking 188 and hold it as support. I'm taking a little bit of profits here on my SPY puts. Um, and I'm gonna leave some runners to see if we're gonna go to 452. Damn, those TSM puts, the weeklies are up all 60%. Are up 60%. Let's see, we wanna see TSM going like breaking this morning low here. Yeah, QQQ boots were also like very, very good with this rejection here around 384. With 384 resistance here. Yeah, let's see how's the daily looking. Oof. 379. It's the one that I think QQQ should hold 379. That level. If not, let's see. So okay, so QQQ has a little gap here till 379.17 around there. Let's see. Yeah, it has a little gap here that it looks like it wants to fill. And then the next one, it's here from 376.60 till 373.20. So that's another one. I'm gonna take a little bit of profits. I'm gonna take some profits on the TSM weeklies, and I'm still gonna hold all my puts for next week so far. I don't know if a good time, but I would enter here, Microsoft. In fact, I'm gonna add more to the same play that I got early in the morning. It's risky because the market still looks bearish, but I do like this entry. This entry is way better. So I just added there for my calls for Microsoft for next week. My strike is 270 on Microsoft. 370, I'm sorry, 370 for next week. It's kind of far out of the money. If you don't want to lose money, you can get 350. Okay, so okay, so yeah, the 453 level, it's acting as definitely acting as support on SPY. Careful if you're holding puts. I will take most of my profit, especially if you have put for like 0 DT or weekly. UPS just broke, damn, just broke 188 or touch 188. Let's see. Oh yeah, look this beauty. We want to see breaking 188. No, I don't think I'm gonna hold Microsoft for. Remember, holding earnings is a gamble. So if you wanna lose money, hold through earnings. If you don't wanna lose money, don't hold through earnings. I'm all out on TSM weeklies put. Only holding next week. So and I also sold all my spy puts. I lock all my profits there. So far I'm only holding the TSM put for next week and Microsoft puts also for next week. Those are the only puts that I'm holding right now because I think the market found support here. Like so far. Or at least for now. But 380 level it's support on QQQ and 453 level it's support on SPY. So like I said, I'll be careful holding weeklies or zero DTE puts. Yeah, I have Microsoft puts and calls because I got Microsoft puts on Tuesday on this move and I'm still holding some. No, it's not a YOLO. The Microsoft calls are not a YOLO. Are just a clean break and retest for the 350 support. It's not a YOLO. I don't know. Like I cannot tell you what to do. I'm only like you guys need to understand like on this stream I only talk and I only say what I'm doing and what I see on the chart. So if you ask me about a chart, I tell you what I'm seeing. It's your decision if you want to enter, if you want to sell, if you want to lock profit. If not, like that's your decision. I'm just talking what I'm doing. If you want to make money, Martinez, just get education, honestly. Like, get better understanding how the market move, how to read the charts, how to read candles, support, resistance. Like, it's very basic, honestly. Yeah, you're welcome, Rob. How did I learn? My name is Andrea, not Adriana, but yeah. I learned just practicing a lot. Honestly, I learned a lot just watching how the market moved in the past. You learn, like, if you go back to yesterday's, the last few months, like, you're gonna start understanding like how the market move with support and resistance, and just follow the trend. Bye, David. Have a great day. Okay, so honestly, I think we're not gonna have much here for like 2 hours. Like, in 1 hour is lunchtime, so we have seen how lunchtime, we know how lunchtime is in the market. Is very slow, choppy. I don't think we're gonna have like a big move right now. So I think I'm done for the day. So I'm holding. Okay. Um I took profits on my weeklies on UPS, took profits on my weekly puts on SPY, took profits on my weekly TSM puts. I have um my end of the month and next month UPS calls. I'm not gonna touch those ones. I'm not gonna do anything with those ones today or the next week. I'm just gonna hold there. I have Microsoft calls and puts for next week. I got the puts on Tuesday, so those puts are up a lot. And I got calls today for next week, the 370 for next week. If you want, I like that it's holding 349, 350. I want to see the daily candle closing above 349. That will be a very, very, very good indication that this is a break and retest play and it's gonna go great. So yeah, I'm not gonna sell Microsoft today unless like it give me like a ugly bearish daily candle. But so far, I like how it's holding 349, this level. I want to see Microsoft holding this level. And even if it goes down today, I'm gonna wait to see how the daily candle is gonna close. So yeah, and I have TSM put as an hedge to this play, this Microsoft play, and I have it the TSM put for next week. I'm not gonna sell TSM unless it breaks a morning high. And if TSM, I got an alert here. And if TSM can break morning high, I'm gonna play calls here because TSM have a big uh gap here at the top also. So if TSM can break 100 and use it as support, I'm gonna change and play calls here. I'm gonna play this move here. If keeps being under 100, I'm just gonna hold my next week puts and see if TSM wants to fill this gap. So yeah, that's the only thing uh that I'm playing. And I'm not expecting much today, honestly. Maybe for power hour, but for the next few hours, I don't see the market doing much. But I really like this hold on SPY and the 453 hold. Watch the 453 hold on SPY and the 379 hold on QQQ. That's daily support. That's daily support. Um, so yeah. I'm thinking I'm done for the day. What else? Okay. I'm gonna be here tomorrow. I was thinking on not trading tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna be here tomorrow. So if I change my mind, I'll let you know guys on Discord. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for the support. I see you tomorrow.